Hello everyone. Am I clearly audible? And I hope the screen is visible to everyone. Please write in the uh, session. Am I audible to all of you? Please comment on the chat box. Am I clearly audible? So that we can, yes, begin with the today's session. Yes. Please tell me. Yes, everyone, is the screen properly visible? I hope, and I am clearly audible to all of you. Yes, please tell me. Please inform in the channel. Visible on. Okay. Thank you, Nilesh. Thank you, Kevin. So, hello, students. Welcome back to Tuition Masters Class 6 to 8 YouTube channel. And as you guys know, this is a brand new channel, right? Previously, we used to do it on our previous channel, which is now for ninth and 10th. So, this is your main channel for class 6 to 8th. Okay, all your videos and everything will be uploaded. So this is a very first live class which I'm taking for grade 7 on this channel. All right, so make sure you hit this video with a big like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you did not do it till now. Okay, and inform all your friends to immediately join this channel. Why? Because this channel we're going to talk about only everything related to your syllabus, right? You guys are my old students, all of you know, right? Tell your classmates don't know about our classes, tell them also to join, subscribe to this channel, right? And today we are going to do simple equations, right? In our previous classes we did wastewater story, isn't it? In our today's session we are going to do simple equations. Okay, this is session number 1. So before starting, how are you guys? I guess it's been a week we met, right? Approximately a week, I guess. Yes, it's been a week we have met. How are you guys? Tell me. Before starting, we should have a normal chit chat, right? How are you guys? How your exam results came? How are your exams? Tell. Everyone got their results for exams. Tell me, how was it? I hope it was good, only because good, right? Yes, that's great. All right, fine, good. So your exam results should go good, right? Yes, great. All right, fine. So as you guys know, all our classes, yes, we'll be taking here only in our class lecture channel, right? So yes, easy paper, very good. That's so good that if it went easy, right? Because most of it, I guess the full math syllabus I had already taught you, right, before the exams. Before the exams, we even did a marathon session. We even did the, things also. Yeah. Okay, fine. So today, what are we going to do? Today, we are going to do simple equations. So, this chapter, I'll give a star mark to it. It is a very important chapter, students. Ask why. Because this chapter, simple equation, you're learning. In 8th, you will study linear equation. In ninth, you will study linear equation in two variables, and same in 10th also. So now what you're learning, the simple basic thing, no, that is will come in your 8th also, ninth also, 10th also. Okay. So it's very important you study the whole chapter very carefully. All right. So it's easy chapter, nothing difficult. Simple equation, we are only relating how do we find a solution. In your sixth standard you might have studied, right, of all this, what is expression, variable, and everything, right? So that's what it's all about. So this is a session number 1. In the next session we'll complete this chapter. So let me show you. So what are we going to study in this chapter? Let me explain you that. First, we are going to do basic algebraic terms. What are algebraic terms? What is expression? What is the equation? Right. Then setting up an equation. Correct. How do we make equation? These are topics we are going to cover today. In our next session, what is the solution? Then finding solution of equation and applications. Yes, Kevin, it would be there, and it did not come in your exam, I guess, but it will come in the ahead exam. In the next exam, the PT2 term 2, there this chapter will definitely come. Okay, so these are the topics which you're going to cover. 6 topics, three topics today, next 2 topics in our next session. Okay, today's session is very light session, not much of things you're going to study, just revisions we are going to do, right? Introduction, and guys, we are even going to do a Menti quiz at the end. So at the end, as you all know, we are going to do a Menti quiz also. Correct, we're going to do Menti quiz as well. So let us start. I hope everyone have liked this video, shared with your friends also, right? Call immediately, tell them that we are studying very interesting topics. Quickly join. And Menti quiz also we're going to have, right? So that's the roadmap what we're going to study in this chapter. All right. So let us start with our first topic, easy one, basic algebraic terms. Let us start with that. Okay. So our first topic, which is basic algebraic terms. Now, students, you tell me, we are first going to clear our basics. The foundation will make good. Then we'll continue. In algebra, we deal with both constants and variables. Is it a true statement or is it a false statement? Tell me. I want the answer in the chat box. In algebra, we deal with constants also and variables also. Is it true or is it false? And I hope you guys know what is constants and variables, right? Because I was teaching that to grade 6 in algebra, right? So I hope you guys know what is constants and variables, isn't it? So yes, tell me, true or false? Okay, Nilesh is telling it is false. What about others? True or false? Is it true? Yes, we are dealing it, or no, we are not dealing with. Nilesh said it is false. Okay. Deepa says true. Okay, Kevin also says true. Very good, students. Nilesh, check your answer again. The correct answer is true. Correct. In our algebra, we studied that. You have studied this in your, yes, Deepa correct, Kevin correct. In our grade 6, you have studied in algebra. What are constants? Constants are nothing but my numbers, isn't it? My whole numbers. Yes, Darshan, correct. My whole numbers, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4. It keeps on going, and those are my constants. Talking about variables, what are variables? Tell me, students, in the chat box. What are variables? What is the meaning of variables? Tell me. Chat box, tell. We have to go, we are doing the basics, right? I'm going to ask you this because this is nothing new. You have already studied these topics. है ना? Tell me, what is variables? What are variables? If constants is numbers, then what is variables? Kevin, variable is 2, 4, 6, 3, 4, 5. That is variable or is that a constant? That's a constant, right? What is the variable? You can give an example of a variable rather, right? You can give an example. Yes, correct. B, X, yes, all those things. So in short, variables are nothing but my alphabets like X, Y, A, B, any alphabet which denotes number. Very good, Deepa. Correct. Any alphabet in which we have which have a value. Correct. That are variables. True. Very good. So any alphabet we can A to Z. Any alphabet you take, the that is a variable, right? So that is true that in algebra we always use a constants and variables. Now, what are algebraic terms? Algebraic terms are nothing but those terms which consist of variables, constants, and operators. Okay, that means any algebraic term, I'm talking about only term, okay, that you will have any variable, then you will even have a constant like 5, minus 1 by 3, root 2, 0.7, right? So you can have any constant that are numbers, and then you will have the operator like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, correct? For example, 5x plus 2. Is it a uh, is it an algebraic term? Yes, it is. Why? 5 is the constant. Correct? X is the variable. This plus is the operator. So all the three things are there. So in algebraic terms, what are the three things there? Variable, constant, operators. For example, let's say if I have a pizza. Okay, you guys like pizza? Tell me in the chat box. I guess everyone likes pizza over here, right? You all guys like pizza, correct? Now, if I'm making a pizza, what are the important things to have? I should have the base, correct? I should have the base. I should have the sauce, correct? And I should have the cheese also, correct? These are the three basic things. If this is not only there, then you cannot make a pizza, isn't it? Okay, okay, fine. So you cannot make the pizza without base, sauce, and cheese. Similarly, in algebraic terms also, if you want to make algebraic term, you have to use variables, constant, and operators. Okay. So that is what it is, right? So algebraic terms, what are the three things? Variables, constant, and operators. Okay. Now that was all about what are algebraic terms. I hope no doubts, right? Now let us move towards an important part, that is algebraic expression and equation. What is the meaning of expression and equation? Now students, again your turn. Which of these is an algebraic expression? Which is an expression? Tell me in the chat box. Which is an expression? 3x plus 5, 7x minus 6, both of them or none of them? Which is a algebraic expression? Tell me that. See, I have highlighted the word expression, correct? Expression. Think what is it? Oh god, one second. Uh, uh, uh. Wait, I'll just erase this much. Yes. Okay, fine. Answers I got C. High. Okay. Nilesh says C. Deepa says B. Sorry, C. Kevin says C. Very good. Very good. You guys said the right answer is obviously C. Both A and B, right? Now I want to see, before showing you the answers, tell me why is A and B the answer? Tell me, yes, Darshan, correct. C is the answer. Now you guys tell me why is uh 3x plus 5, okay, and 7x minus 6. Why are there two expressions? Why am I telling them expression? Why are they not equation? Tell me that. You said the answer is both A and B. Why is it an expression? Tell me that. Hmm? Why am I calling them that you are an expression? 3x plus 5, 7x minus 6. You guys are expressions. Why am I telling that? Any specific reason? Tell me in the chat box. Tell me. Let me see, how many of you remember all this concept till now. Whatever I have asking and telling, it's all of grade 6. In your grade 6 also I'm teaching the same topic of algebra, right? Because the number represents the amount and the letter explains the thing. Okay, they have a variable and an operator. Okay, there's a number, there's a letter which is explaining. Okay, that's also okay, that's an answer. But you guys are missing one thing. What is the major difference between expression and equation? What is that one thing which equation has but expression doesn't has? Yes, think about it. What is that one thing? Just one thing is there, one symbol is there, which is there in equation, but not there in expression. Which is that thing? And if you say that thing, you get your answer. Correct? Think about it. What is it? Oh, yes, Kevin, obviously symbol, but with symbol. Deepa says operators, subtraction, transposition, addition. Oh my god. In your 3x plus 5 plus is there, that is operator. Correct. The operator is there. So why this is not an equation? Students, you're forgetting one thing. Equation has a equals to sign, isn't it? Yes. Darshan gave the right answer. Equal to sign is not there in the expression, isn't it? Equal to sign is always and always there in a equation. Correct? Everyone forgot grade 6 things, right? Grade 6 over, so we will also forget everything, isn't it? Very bad. Okay. So what is the meaning here? In an expression, why I said 3x plus 5 and 7x minus 6 is expression, because they do not have equals to sign. Correct? They have no equals to sign. So that is the main difference. Correct? So here you see, what are more such examples of algebraic expressions? 5x plus 3, 8y minus 2, right? 5 and 8, they are the constants. X and y are the variables. Plus minus are the operators. But there is no equals to sign, isn't it? No equals to sign is present. So what do we learn, that what is a note, what summary we take from here? We know that now algebraic expressions we get them by combining variables, constants and operators, and they do not have any equals to sign. Equal to sign is not in them, right? So what are the three things? Variables, constant and operators. These are the things present in an algebraic expression. Clear everyone now? Everyone clear what is the difference between expression, equation, right? What are the three things there in expression? Everyone clear with it? Tell me in the chat box fast. Clear everyone with it? Show me thumbs up, smileys. I want to see that from your side. Show fast. Fleer. Kevin says fleer. I mean, I know, I understood that it's clear. Okay, fine, no problem. Clear, thumbs up, silence. Great job. So it's clear to everyone. Good. So now, let's study an equation now. What is an equation? If I'm taking an expression, I have an expression 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2 is my expression. Done. But now I am adding a equals to sign and I'm giving a value after that equals to sign. Let's say 9. Now this becomes an equation. So if we put an equal equation sign, okay, equal to sign, that becomes a equation. It doesn't remain an expression anymore. Correct? So it will, an expression will become a equation if we add an equals to sign. Correct? So expression, if we put a equals to sign, it becomes a equation. Now you guys tell me, can I find the value of x from here? This part, can I find the value of x? 3x plus 2 equals to 9. Can I find the value of this x? Tell me in the chat box. Can I find the value of x over here? From this, can I find it? 3 times the number x plus 2 gives 9. Very good. Super. Very good, Nilesh. That's what we're going to study ahead. You already know it. So good. So yes, tell me. Can I find the value of x from an equation? Not only this, any equation. Can I find the value of x? Tell me. Value of x can be found by this equations. Tell me. Can we find it? Yes or a no? Yes, Darshan says yes. What about others? Can we find? Yes or no? Darshan says yes, we can find it. What about others? Can we find it? No, I'm not telling you to find the answer. I'm just telling you that can we find it or not? Just tell me that. Yes or no? Can we find it or not? Definitely, yes. Very good. Yeah, correct. 9 minus 2 divided by 3. Very good. Yes, you guys know that, right? So, from an equation, right? From an equation, we can find out the value of x. Now, okay, you guys are all solving the equations. That's great. Let me also solve it then. So, 3x plus 2 equals to 9. This is the thing. Actually, solving, we have to do it in the next session, but you guys already know it, right? So good. So, what happens? We'll do transposition method. 3x remains here. 2 will go over there and become subtraction. So 9 minus 2. Correct? Then 3x becomes, or 9 minus 2, 7. And then x remains here. Then 3 will go over there and it will become 7 into 3. That is equals to 21. So 21 is our answer. Correct? Yes, students? Am I correct? Or is there anything wrong? I don't see anything wrong. I guess it's correct only, right? 3x will go over there, 3 will go, so it will become multiply only, right? Just multiply here, so multiply there also. If in LHS it's multiplied, there also it will be, RHS also will be multiply, right? Anything wrong? I think this is correct. 21 is the value of x. Is it correct? Tell me. You guys tell me. Am I correct or did I make any mistake here? Or should I do 3x equals to 9 plus 2? That I should do. What should I do? Tell me, did I make any mistake over here? Hmm? Yeah, tell me. Is there any mistake in this answer? What I found out, is there any mistake or any, error in it? Any error here? Not correct. Very good, Deepa. It is not correct. Transposition we are doing, right? It is not at all correct because multiplication will go over there and it will become as division. So it will be 7 divided by 3. Correct? Yes, Darshan. Yes, Deepa. Yes, correct, correct. So the answer is 7 by 3. Multiplication goes becomes division, division goes becomes multiplication, and subtraction goes it becomes addition, and the vice versa. Correct? 3 into 2, yes, correct, Deepa. Yeah, that's another way to verify it. If I was telling 21, so 3 into 21 plus 2 is not 9. Yes, Deepa, correct. So that is what an equation is, but solving equation we're not doing it today. We'll do it in the next session in detail, okay, with different ways. Okay, so now look over here, few examples of equations, simple equations. 4z plus 5 equals to 20, x minus 4 equals to 2, 3y equals to 9. Okay, all of these are my nothing but equations because they have a equal to sign. They even have variable, they even have constant and operator. Correct. Now, what are the parts of equation? Correct. Very good. You see, Nilesh, very good. You said what happens if anything goes there. Yeah, very good. Now, what are the parts of equation? With respect to the equal to sign, on the left side we have the LHS, left hand side, and on the right side of the equation equal to sign we have the RHS, that is the right hand side. So these are the two things we have, LHS and RHS. That's it. You guys know, right? This part is the LHS, this is left, this is right. So LHS and RHS, simple. Now look over here. Now let's go towards the last topic of the day, that is setting up an equation, and then we're going to do some very important questions. Okay, so let's do how do we make equation. Now first thing, the question comes, why do we need even equations? I've seen many students asking that what is the need of maths? Where do we use algebra in real life also? Who uses algebra? If we want to go somewhere, if we are taking something, we don't have to start taking x y z, put y in that and that way. Who uses algebra? Now let me tell you the real life examples for equations. Let's say, for understanding the importance of algebra and equation, let's see an example. Ria buys some number of bottles. Okay, she's buying some number of bottles. We do not know how many. Some number of bottles at the cost of rupees 20 per bottle. 20 per bottle. And she pays the shopkeeper rupees 50. After which she gets a change of 10. So what's happening? 20 is per bottle. 20 is per bottle. Okay. She gave a note of 50 to the shopkeeper, and shopkeeper gave rupees 10 back as a change. Correct. That is it. Now, next example. Okay, next example. We're not solving anything. Let's listen to examples. Kamal gives 2 times of his pocket money to Kushal. Now, pocket money, how much? We do not know. So, we just know that Kamal is giving 2 times his pocket money to Kushal. Okay. Now, after this, Kushal adds rupees 100 to repair his bicycle, and the cost of repair was rupees 700. Okay. Now what happens is, in this case, Kamal, he whatever pocket money he has, he is giving 2 times of that pocket money to Kushal. Now with that pocket money, Kushal is adding more 100 for repairing his bicycle, and the cost of repair is 700 rupees. Okay. Next, after some number of lions cross the river to reach Gujarat, the number of lions in Gujarat increased from 270 to 300. Okay, some number. We do not know how much number, but some number of lions, they crossed the river and reached Gujarat, and from 270 directly 300 become the number of population of lions. Okay. Now, in these three example students, can we use algebraic equations? Tell me, is it a yes or is it a no? Can we use algebraic expression to represent this? Where the girl is buying the juice of 20 per, rupees 20 per bottle, she is giving 50, she is getting 10. Correct. Then in bicycle case, Kamal is giving 2 times his pocket money to Who? Kushal, I guess. Huh? Kushal, he's adding 100 more and 700 he's paying. And then lions came 270, lions cross became 300, right? In these examples, can we use algebraic expressions? Everyone is telling yes. A. A is right answer. Yes, yes, everyone are telling yes. So obviously, we can use expression. Now, equation, sorry. Now you will say that this is an a real life example, not maths. We are not doing maths. I said you real life example. Now in real life example, how should we make an equation? How should we make? Yes, see, how are you guys telling me? How are you guys telling me? 30 lions crossed. She bought two bottles. How are you guys telling me? How are we framing the equations, right? So Ria buys some number of bottles. Some it is there. We do not know how many. Correct? Then Kamal gives two times his pocket money. A pocket money, how much is there? We don't know. After some number of lions, what is that number of lions? How much that we do not know. So, in case there is any unknown value, we have many unknown values here. What will we take? We will use a variable for that. Correct. So in all these examples, to write these sentences, these are some normal human life sentences, right? If I want to, if I want to convert it into we have to convert it into the equation. We must know how to make equations, right? From words to that thing, how to use with the use of variables. Okay, so first one, what are the hacks to set up an equation? Now, I'm not going to teach you that first take equal to put that. No, I'm going to give you quick hacks, quick things which you can immediately remember it always. So, quick hacks to set up an equation. What are the first one? Is, was, were, will be, becomes, would be, gives, all of that will become as equals to sign. Okay, that becomes equals to sign. Let us see, was that there in here? Ria buys some number of bottles of juice at the cost of that, after which she gets is there, I'll put a equal to sign over here. Correct? Equal to sign. Correct. Get, gives, alright, that will give me equal to sign. First hack. Second hack, increase, more than, greater than, you will put a plus. Why? Because whenever we are using these terms like, more, increase, higher, greater, we have to add that. Correct? So addition will come. Then, if it is decrease, less than, decrement, you will use minus sign. Later on, exceeds. Exceeds will be minus and by will become equal to sign. This is a hack you should remember to make an equation. Now coming from, you look over here. Taking away 5 from x gives 9. Listen carefully. Taking away. Taking away means what? It means subtraction. 5 from x, so x will come here, minus 5, because I'm taking 5 from x, correct? And that is gives me. Now gives means what? Gives means equals to sign, so that gives me 9. So what did it become? Yes, students, what did it become? It became an equation, isn't it? This became an equation. It became an equation. So you look over here, x minus a 5 equals to 9 becomes an equation. Simple, isn't it? So in that lion wala example, okay, so good run some number of lions. Okay, this some number, let's take it x. Increased from, increased means addition, correct? From 270 to 300. From 270, so x plus something was there. It that x is the number of lines. If I it was 270, right? So I added it, it become 300. So x plus 270 equals to 300 becomes our equation. Did you see how a real life example, that was real life, correct? It's not something we use it, but it was real life example, but still we made an equation out of it, isn't it? Now, are you guys ready to solve some questions? Tell me. We have completed with the theory part. That was all for today. Nothing else is left. That was all for today. Now we're going to do some important questions and then our Menti quiz also. So are you ready for some important subjective questions? Everyone ready for some subjective question? I hope you all have notebook, pen, paper, everything. Correct? Shall we do it? Okay, let's do it. So, first question. Set up an equation for the following case. Irfan has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the number of marbles Parul has. Okay. Irfan has 37 marbles. Now, how many marbles Parul has? We do not know. So we will take the value as m. It is given that m is the number of marbles Parul has. So the statement says, read the statement again if you didn't understand and write the answer in the chat box. Irfan has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marbles of Parul. 7 more, 5 times, right? And the total, that is nothing, that is the thing you have to remember. See, I'm highlighting 7 numbers more, 5 times 37. Frame the equation and the variable is given as m. Now frame the equation. This is very easy now. Just try to frame the equation. I'm giving you some time. Don't worry, take your time and do it. Correct? Try to do it. No problem. I'm waiting. For a few minutes, I'll wait, right? And by that time, you guys can give me the correct answers to these questions. Easy, right? It's easy question, not difficult. And one more thing, we the group link. Okay, if any one of you have not joined our WhatsApp group for grade 7, make sure to join it. The link is in the description of the video. Okay, if you go in the description of this video, the first link is given, grade 7 WhatsApp group. If you check that, you will get the link of this session. Okay, I mean the WhatsApp group of the grade 7 class where we upload the notification discussion video. Okay, now tell me, yes, where is the answers? Should I do it? Should I do it or should I wait? Tell me. Shall I do it? Okay, let me also do side by side with you guys. See, seven. Irfan has 7 marbles. Okay, 7 marbles. 7. More than. More is given means I will do addition. 5 times. 5 times means I have to multiply 5 with it. Correct? 5 multiplied by what? Parul's marble. Parul has m marbles. So m, correct? Now what is it equals to? And it is given that Irfan has 37 marbles. So in total, Irfan is having 37 because 7 plus 5m is nothing but my number of marbles with Irfan. So 37 marbles here, so that is equals to that. So this becomes your equation. Simple. Everyone got the same answers? Tell me in the chat box. Tell me in the live chat, everyone got the same answers? Yes, tell me. Fast, fast, fast. Everyone got the same answer? Let's go fast then also. We have to do Menti also, right? We have Menti quizzes also today. Tell me, 7 plus 5 and equals to 37. That's the answer. Everyone got it. Very good, Deepa. Let me show you the answer. Look over here. 7 plus 5m equals to 37. 7 marbles more. So 7, then 5 times 5m and equals to 37. Okay, that becomes your answer. Okay, next question. Write the statements for the following. Now you guys have to tell me the statements. First one is 5p equals to 20. Second one is 3n plus 7 equals to 1. Now you have the, what do we say? You have the equation. You have to write statement. Okay, you have to write statement means equation you just have to write it in the normal way how we talk, no? So that way you have to write. Tell me, what will it be? 5p equals to 20. First tell me for 5p. First tell me 5p equals to 20. What will be the statement for it? 5 times p equals to 20. Okay, okay, Deepa. What about others? P is 4. Okay, no need. I know, Deepa, yes, you're correct, but no need to solve this equation. They did not say, right? No need to solve it. Just same in the statement. That's fine. Okay. Yes. 5 times P is equal to 20. That's correct. What about others? Everyone have same answers? Tell me, why can I say only Deepa answering? I can see others also in the session. Others also say 5 times the number P gives number 20. Okay, you did not write number 20. You can just write 5 times the number P gives 20. Okay. Okay, Nilesh, good. Okay, so what we can write? We can write it as 5 times, yes, you guys are correct. 5 times the number P gives us 20. That you can write it. Okay. Or you can even write 5 times the number gives us 20, and that number is P. Okay, you can write it both ways. Now next one. 3n plus 7 equals to 1. 3n plus 7 equals to 1. Make a equation for that. No, sorry, I mean write the statement for that. 3 times n added with 7 is 1. Okay. 3 times n added with 7. Okay, good. Okay, I want to give you guys a one small hint. Okay, I just one, not a hint, a tip I would give you. Whenever you have multiplication ka thing, 3n, 5n, like this multiplication, always write addition first. Always at addition. 3 times the number n plus 7. Okay, yes, you guys are correct. I just want to give you one, and you see here 7 marbles more than 5 times. You always have to write the addition wala part first. Okay, so you can write it as 7 more than 3 times of a number gives me 1, or 3 times n added with 7. Okay, that's also fine. So look over here, P multiplied by 5 gives us 20. Or you guys wrote 5 times P equals to 20. That's also correct. Instead of equals to, if you write gives also, it's fine. 7 added to thrice of n gives 1. Instead of thrice, you can even use 3 times of n. That will also give you the right answer. Okay. So yes. Now let's go to our next question. Now here, make an equation. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. Okay, Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older, older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. So we have to take that Lakshmi's age is y years. Okay, if it is y years, now let me explain this question how to do. It's a little bit tricky. Let's do it one by one. What is the father's age? 49. Okay. It is given that he is 4 years older. 4 years. Okay. Older means addition. Younger means subtraction. 4 years older than 3 times. 3 multiplied by what is Lakshmi's age? Lakshmi's age is y. Correct. So 4 plus 3y is the age of the father. That is 49. So that becomes our equation. Okay. 4 plus 3y equals to 49. 4 plus 3y, or yeah, okay, you can even write 3y plus 4 also. 4 plus 3y, 3y plus 4 is one and the same thing. But in your exam, students, in your exam, you do not have to write just equation, that equation just go, no, you won't get marks. No, you have to write it, let Lakshmi's age be y years, then 4 added to 3 times of y is 3 plus 4, correct? Lakshmi's father is 3 to Lakshmi's age plus 4, so 3y plus 4, and 3y plus 4 equals to 49 is the equation. That way you have to write. Okay, because you see up it is a 2 marker question, so you have to write it accordingly. Okay, let's see the next question. Set up an equation for the following. Teacher tells the class that the highest mark is obtained by a student in their class. It is twice the lowest marks plus 7. So what, and the highest score is 87. How will you make an equation? Fast. I'm going to give you 30 seconds for this. I'm going to give you 30 seconds, and you have to, I'll put a timer on my phone. Okay, I'm giving you 30 seconds. Frame an equation. Till that time I'll not see your answers. Okay, I'm putting a timer of exact 30 not 30 minutes, sorry 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds ka timer I'm putting, and make a equation and tell me. Okay, your time starts now. Okay, I've started your 30 seconds. I've put a timer, and in 30 seconds I'll solve it. It's an easy part. Try to do it. Okay, you have to find the equation for the highest score. 15 seconds remaining, 15 seconds more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, timer up, timer up, timer up. So 30 seconds done. Did you guys get the answers? No answers? Was it so difficult? Okay, see, yeah, Deepa gave the answer. 2m plus 7 equals to 87. M, the variable is L, right? Okay, fine. Let me solve it for you guys. In her class, twice the lowest mark. Lowest mark is L. So twice the lowest mark. So 2L plus 7 is the highest mark, that is 87. So yes, 2L plus 7 equals to 87 is the answer. Yes, Deepa, correct. Just instead of M, take L, because I've given you the variable. No, in the question, if they did not give the variable, then you can take any variable. Okay, but just use L. That's the thing, nothing else. So 12 plus 7 is equals to 87. 12 plus 67. Nilesh, from where did 67 come? It's 87, right? Okay, it's fine, no problem. So 87 is this is your answer. Look over here, correct? Now, this question. Set up an equation again. In an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice the angle, twice the either base angle. So let the base angle be B in degrees, and remember that sum of angles in triangle is 180. Okay, and I explain this a little bit, carefully. Why? Because I'll show you. See, this is my triangle. Okay, this is a triangle. Take this as an isosceles triangle. Now what happens here is, there is one base, the base angle, right? This is the vertex angle. Okay, this is vertex angle, you can say vertex angle, and these two are the base angles. Base angle is B. Okay, B. Okay, and sum of angles, all the angles, if I will add, no, I will get 180 degree. I'll get 180 degree. So the vertex angle is twice either base angle. So how will you make an equation out of it? Try to do it. Okay, this time I'm giving you 1 minute. Okay, this time I'll give you 1 minute. I know this question is a little tricky to understand. So I'm giving you 1 minute. Again, I'll put the timer and tell you. So 1 minute I'm giving you for this question. Right? I've started the timer. Okay. So remember, the vertex angle you have to find, which is twice either the base angles. Okay, base angle is B and sum of angles is 180. Okay. So I've started already your timer. Okay. 45 seconds left. Try to do this. It's easy. Try to do it. You will get the answer. I know. 40 seconds more. Just look at my figure and try to make an equation out of it. If it's fine, if you couldn't do it, no problem. It's absolutely fine. We will solve it. Okay, 30 seconds are done. Then, okay. 20 more seconds remaining. 20 seconds remaining. Waiting for everyone. 15 seconds. I hope you guys have done it. Let's see. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Timer up, timer up, timer up, timer up. So, let me see if you guys got the answers to this. Answer I got. 2B is the vertex, 90 degree is the base. Very good, Deepa. Great job. Let me show you the answers. So here you see 4. Wait, okay. Oh, okay. See this. Vertex angle is given 2B equals to. Okay. Wait. See, you guys made a mistake. B base angle is B. Okay, so the vertex angle will be V. So V is equal to 2 times of B. Okay, 2 times the double of B, right? So the sum of 3 angles will be what? B plus B, 2 base angles plus 1 vertex angle, that is 2B. That gives me 180 na, students. Correct. So B plus B, 2B, 2B plus 2B, 4B. So 4B equals to 180 degree. Sum of all angles you have to take. This is one base angle, and this is the vertex. Okay, you had to even take the base angles also, no? So 4B equals to 180 is the right answer. Okay, everyone understood what's the mistake. It's fine, you made a mistake. It's absolutely okay. When you make a mistake, then only you learn, isn't it? Very good. It's fine, no problem. Okay, tell me, everyone understood what was the mistake over here? Everyone clear with your mistakes? I hope, right? It's clear. Okay. So now with this we have completed with the questions and theory part for today. Now we are going to go towards a quiz. Everyone ready? Everyone ready for the quiz time? Everyone ready? We will have 5 MCQ questions and where we're going to have it on Menti. Okay, it's a Menti quiz. Everyone get ready. So what you have to do is that you have to go to menti.com. Okay, menti.com, you can just type it. And on the screen you have to type this code 17240519. Okay, 17240519. I'll be even sending the link. Okay, you guys can you can type this and join with your own name. Okay, or I'll share the link also. Okay. Yes, 17240519. I've sent the code. I'll send the link to you guys. Okay. So Mentimeter. See, this is your Menti quiz going on, right? Not going on. Like we'll start now. So let's come here. I'll share it to you guys here in the chat box. See, I've shared it. Hmm. Yeah, I've shared the link. Everyone got it? Yes, yes, Nilesh. I've shared the link. I've shared the link to you. I mean, not to you, to everyone. Joined, everyone joined. Let me see. Everyone, I can say only one. Join with your own instance. Okay, fine. Please join with your own so that I can, understand who it is. Okay, two have joined. Once everyone joins, that time we will start with the quiz. Okay. Oh God, my annotations. Fine. Okay. Let's see. Code. Anyone wants the code? Code is 17240519. That's the code. 17240519. That's the code. And link also I have shared in the chat box. The link is also there. Code is 17240519. That's the code. Okay. And link is also shared. Everyone join. I can see many are there in the live chat. I can see only two in the Menti. Everyone join. Then okay, three have joined. Remaining also join, then we'll start the quiz. Okay, that when we'll start the quiz. I'll wait for more few seconds, then we will start. Okay. Yeah, code is 17240519. That's the code. You have to go to menti.com and use this code. Okay. Okay, four have joined. Okay, I'll count for 20 more. I'll count 20 and then I'll start. Okay. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And here we are starting with the Menti quiz. Okay. So question number 1 says, identify the equation among these. You have to find the equation 3x minus 4, 5x equals to 65, x minus 55, y plus 0. You have to tell me which of these is a equation. Okay, which is a equation from these. Alright, find that. 15 seconds more. Find which is an equation. Okay, everyone voted. And the right answer. Okay. Okay. Two wrong answers. It's fine. No problem. Equation always has a equals to sign, right? So 5x equals to 65. That becomes an equation. Remaining are the expressions. Okay. No problem. Let's move towards question number 2. Ready? Very good, Deepa. Great. Answer the next question correct also. Next one. If you subtract 5 from 6 times 6, you get 7. I've given you 50 seconds. It's sufficient. Okay. Make a equation. If you subtract 5 from 6 times of x, okay, you have to 5, 6 times x, you have usme se 5 we are taken. Okay. And we will get answer as 7. Let's see. Oh my god. Great job, everyone. It's 100%. Very good. Great job. So it was 6x minus 5 equals to 7. Very good. 100% I got the same. Very good. Great job. Let's see our next question. Question number 3. Great, Deepa. Next question is, choose the statement for 7 plus 3y equals to 45. You have an equation. You have to write the statement. Read. You have 1 minute. You have one whole minute. Just read all the options carefully, then mark it. Okay. Okay. Add 3 to 3 times the number to get 45. Add 30 to 7 times the number to get 45. Add 7 to 3 times the number to get 45. Or add 7 to 7 times the number to get 45. Everyone voted. And the right answer, okay, again 2 wrong, fine. It is 7 plus 3y. So 7 added to 3 times the number y is 3 times the number. And that gives me 45. Okay. So C was the right answer. Alright, no problem, fine. Okay, next question. Question number 4, second last question on your screens. Now, set up an equation for the given. You have an image here, just look at that. If you take away 6 from 6 times y, you get 60. That is the statement. You have to make an equation. Carefully read it. You have 30 seconds. Read it carefully. You if you take away 6 from 6 times of y, मतलब 6 times of y we have, उसमें से हम 6 ले लेंगे, we will get 60. Find what is the answer. We are taking 6 from 6 times of y. Okay, from. Alright, 4 have marked it. Okay, 10 seconds remaining. Mark it. Think carefully and mark. No problem. I have each question. I've chosen the appropriate time. Then only I've given you. Okay. Okay, fine. So the right answer. Oh my God, great! It's 100. Okay, one student didn't give the answer, but it's fine. Whoever gave it's 100%. Great job, everyone. Good, good, good. All right. Now, last question, then we are going to see the leaderboard. Okay, last question, then we are going to see the leaderboard. Great, Deepa. Let's see the last question. Okay, Deepa, make the next question also correct. Next question is, 1/4 of a number x minus 4 gives 4. Okay, a little bit tricky, but I've given you 1 minute. Okay, 1/4 of a number. 1/4 of a number minus 4. I have to minus 4 from that. That will give me 4. Now, if you see in the option, there is only one option that is in 1/4 form. Okay, you can directly choose that. Okay, 35 seconds more. Everyone answer. Then we will see our leaderboard. Let's see who is on the fastest fingers, right? Think carefully. More 20 seconds are there. Whoever didn't mark it right now. 18. 1/4, 1/4, right? Of a number x. X into 1/4 is x/4. Minus 4, x/4 minus 4. That gives me 4 equals to 4. Right, so C would be the right answer. So 3 2 1. So the right answer, this 100% we got. Oh no, okay, fine, no problem. 90% fine. So x by 4 minus 4 equals to 4. Okay, that is your correct answer to this question. So let's see our leaderboard for the Menti quiz. So on top we have Nithin, Darshan, Nilesh, Vijay and Kunal. Great job everyone. Congratulations Nithin, you are fastest. You're on the first list. Great job, good job. And then we have Darshan, Nilesh, Vijay and Kunal. Great job everyone. Congratulations. Okay then, thank you so much. Bye bye everyone. Thank you. We have done the summary. Bye bye.